Hola BONECAS, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in to another video. This week's video, you are going to watch us transform our guest room. This is the before. To this. And the best part about it is that this was done on a budget and also using some of the items that I had from my previous home. If you'd like to see how we were able to achieve this, then just keep on watching. Today we are going to start decorating the guest room. We kind of just threw everything on here for the meantime until we were ready to start this room. And today is finally the day. We're gonna remove everything from the room and start putting the bed, mirrors, lamps, everything. So let me show you some of the things that I purchased at Target. Blackout curtains, because I feel like you can't go wrong with those, especially in a guest room if you want your guests to sleep in a little bit more. And I really like this linen feel and look, and I like it with the black. Then I really liked these brass. They're kind of like it's a wall mirror, but the shape is very interesting. I really liked how it was shaped. So I'm planning to put those above the nightstands. And also from Project 62, I love that brand. Project 62, Hearth in Hand, and Threshold are like my favorite. I thought this was a perfect sign to use in a guest room. I love these Crosby desk lamps. And then this sidebar table was in the entryway in the foyer in my other home. However, in this house, it's a little bit too small. So we're gonna test it out and see if it would look good in the guest room. And this is the bed from Overstock. If you want to look it up, just pause the video. We are taking apart the packaging for the bed frame.
My initial thoughts is that it's very well packaged. It's a box within a box.
Yeah, it's pretty well packaged so far.
Whoa!
And this is what we have in here. It's like it's a black iron style bed, so I'm really excited about this.
Hang on to this. It loosens, tightens, and makes life easier. Comes with a ratchet.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
The ratchet. All right, we have unpackaged everything. This is, I think, the headboard portion. And we have some more over here. We have got some progress going on. I think it looks pretty good. And the package came with everything that we needed, even a thank you card. And it's pretty quick that you can assemble it too. All right, the bed frame is completed. We really like this bed. It's very sturdy. And I'm about to peel off these little sticky things and get the mattress on. Quick update, I was ironing the curtains and I really like the color. It's like a very light cream linen shade. It's really nice. It is much later in the evening and we are almost done. Steven is installing the light fixture. We thought it would just feel right in here because that other one just didn't look right. So we needed to get something else. And if anyone is interested, it is this, and we picked it up at Lowe's. We are finally finished. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause babe,
'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Normally when I do this, I always kind of go over where I got everything, but there will be links to whatever I can get down in the description. These nightstands, I purchased them a couple years ago at Home Goods. They were in my old guest room and I thought they looked perfect in this one. All of these are from Target. The bed is from Overstock, which I absolutely love. I eventually want to get something over here for this wall because I think it looks a little bit plain, but with time, I'll definitely find something. The curtains are blackout curtains because I feel like that is a must, especially for a guest room. And that black rod is from Target. Over here, I really like this little area, and this was all in my foyer in the other house, and I think I had mentioned it earlier in the video. This is Target. This I got on an Etsy. The pampas grass I got on Etsy. This little thing is Target. Bath and Body Works. I don't remember where I got this basket, but I'm pretty sure it was from Home Goods. This rug I got at Ross, and I thought it looked really cute to kind of put it underneath the bed like that. The plant is from QVC. It's a fake fig tree, and it was in my old living room, but I thought it looked cute here. And we have to fill it up with probably some fake moss. And the planter is also from Target. So a lot of this room was decorated from Target. I love the way it came out. My light over here so you can see it a lot brighter. And then I don't want to forget this light fixture, which is from Lowe's. I love the black, and I think the lights are so cool. I felt like it fit this room really nicely. We were thinking about putting a TV on this wall, so we'll see. Okay, I added this ottoman and I got it from Amazon. I absolutely love it. I love the color too. I think it looks really cool because it's like the same as the curtains. And this part here is foldable. So when you get it, you just open it up. You put something like black on the inside to kind of hold it. And then this goes on top. It was under, I want to say, it was about $60. I'll have it linked down below. But this just looks like such good quality. And I wanted a place to have guests to be able to sit, to put on their shoes or put anything on. And also, I have some pillows over here. And it would be cool because you could store them in here. You don't have to have them like laying on the floor. So I thought this was a great addition to the room. And then I also added the fake moss in here, so it looks a lot better with the plant. I also got that on Amazon, so I'll link it down below too. If you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for all your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It was a lot of work, but it was so much fun. And now every time I walk into the guest room, I get so excited because I have one room in the house that is finally done. It's so nice to walk in here and see curtains on the wall in a completely furnished room. I love the colors. The colors to me are just like so calm with the greenery and like the beige and the black. I really like the colors that I decided to go with in the guest room. And I'm just making sure that I've said everything, but I think I have. If you'd like to see more home decor videos, please like the video and comment down below. I will see you on the next one. Bye!